Now, apart from communicating with AI, generating pictures with it, what other thing can you do with this AI? Now, let me show you another thing and how this thing can help you. Next, assuming you have a furniture product which you're doing and everybody knows about this product is already casted. You can't feel like, well, I won't change this design. I need another pattern of this same design, but I don't know how to do it. You can't think. You don't really figure out something. You don't have problem. What you want to do is that just come to this artificial intelligence, open the app and click on this plus sign. Click on photos. Now you want to go to where that picture is. That picture of that chair you want to redesign. You understand that you want artificial intelligence to redesign. Let's use two pictures so that you're going to see what I am trying to say. Let's take this as the first one and this as the second one again. As you can see it now, you're going to click on done. Now that you've added these two pictures, you now want to add this prompt to it so that it's going to give you another design of these products. Now take a look at this. Now you're going to type this prompt into it. Act as a professional furniture manufacturer in Nigeria with over 10 years experience, which means someone who don't produce furniture for a very long time. That's a decade. In the industry, 10 years experience in the industry, who has produced different furniture trending products and generate another perfect design that people would love, that is not yet in town presently, with this product idea I give to you. Now, you're telling it to make another design out of this design that you give to it. Now, let's click on it and you click on this arrow below it and let's see what it's going to give to us. Wow. Oh my God. I hope you can see it. The idea is mad. The idea is what? It is very, very mad. Actually, I didn't tell it to add this all this description and motto of everything to it, but take a look at what it generates, what it brings back. Take a look at the one we give to it, take a look at the one it brings back. Now imagine you now have a complete set on this of this in your showroom. Just take a look at how detailed it is. Imagine. This means even if you have a complete set of chair in your showroom, you can snap those chair, snap the 3-seater, snap the 2-seater, snap the 1-seater, and give it a prompt that you should act as a professional graphic designer and bring those products together into one flyer. See it, see what it does perfectly. Give it your brand logo so that it's going to be there. Your address, everything is going to be there. You just post it, you can use it as advert. And you can see this is how AI can help your business. See, you don't need to work hard more these days. You need to work smart. Work smart. Please, these are the things artificial intelligence can do for you. Anything you don't know, just come to it, tell it to act as a professional in that thing and help you solve that thing. Simple as ABC is going to help you solve it. Do you understand? If you have anything you don't know, even if you ask this AI to speak in pidgin language with you, it's going to act it. It's just as simple as anything you can ever believe. Do you understand? You see this place, it adds the Lotus collection. If you tell it to add your company name there, it's going to add it there. You understand? At times AI might be glitching, but if you see that it's glitching like that, you open another chat. You will not use the same chat you are using again. Open another chat for it. I hope you get it now. Thank you very much. And this is exactly how, exactly what I said I should share with you on how AI can help your business.